I am so hot and disgusted. My car, as you can see, look at this. It don't want to start. Hey y'all, what the world? We in the parking garage. We have to go bring Morel to the doctor to check on his eyes and see what's going on. Hopefully everything goes well. I'll bring her along with me. And I'm sorry about the lighting, but we're in the parking garage. Literally, just got here. All right, y'all. And she went, really. Bye. Check y'all later. Mark, get your foot down. Coming back or walking back from the doctor's. So far it looked like he's okay, but they just want him to patch that eye as much as possible. I don't know how it's gonna work because Morel really can't see out of the other eye, and the more he patch, the more he patch. And it's raining, but the more he patch, the more he's gonna be probably bouncing around the house all over. But they just want to kind of make it straighten out a little bit. And she was saying hopefully he don't have another surgery. Like what? 3 surgeries already. So yeah, we just gotta walk back to the car. Now let me put up this camera so I won't be one of those frauders crossing over the dang going over the streets and get myself smashed. I know it's raining. All right, y'all. Wow. I am so hot and disgusted. My car, as you can see, look at this. It don't want to start. And my daddy just came and he's working on it, and I'm stuck right here in Walmart. And Demetrius at work. Oh look, the lights just came on. Thank goodness for that. I am hot and I'm frustrated. So I just wanted to say, hey y'all. Alright, bye. Alright y'all, I'm back. I said I was just stopping by. But I just want to give y'all an update. I'm stuck with no lights again. Look, no lights. He said something about it's a battery post or something. So he went in the store to go see if he could find one, which I don't think he's going to be able to find it. But yeah, I've been sitting out here for a good 30-40 minutes waiting for someone to come help. I was just about to just say screw this car and go walk home. But Demetrius called my daddy because he said he couldn't get off because his job wouldn't let him take off. Which is crazy. You have an emergency, why wouldn't you? But yeah, I was sitting out here for a good 30 minutes. But the only bright side is that it's overcasty and it just got finished raining, so it was a look cool instead of being the 105 like it always be. But yeah, that's my update. And I'm just waiting to see if I can get a new battery post. I don't know if it's gonna find one in Walmart, but hopefully so I can be on the road again. But yeah, y'all, I just I want to vent. I want to just scream. I just got off from work. You know, you're tired, you get off from work and crank up your car and boom, car don't want to crank. But at least my daddy is here, so thank you, daddy. But this time I'm really going, y'all. Hope everyone's having a blessed day and probably a better day than me. I look so tired, so sleepy. But I hope that y'all all having a wonderful day. Stay blessed, and I'll see y'all next time. All right. Bye-bye, y'all. Y'all. Put a car. We're not doing anything. We're just riding around, paying some bills, getting ready to go to the store. Kids are asleep. Which is 3 o'clock, and it's a Sunday. They woke up early, and so now they act like they're dying. But yeah, I got my car fixed. My daddy, believe it or not, he did find the what did I tell you, the little berry post thing. He did find it.
Did you hear that?
I did hear it, but he did find it at Walmart, so he fixed that for me. And yeah, he was at work. Wouldn't come get me. Wouldn't come see about me. What you got to say about that?
Did you hear that?
Oh, let's see. That's the answer I get all the time. That's the answer I get.
We stuck at work, baby. Stuck at work.
His job really sucks. Let me write out this check right quick, okay? 2 seconds. Yeah, I know I didn't come back like I was supposed to. Sorry, life happens. Right now, we're about to clean this room. We're gonna clean it, paint it, because Demetrius wants to make this out of a man cave / I don't know. But it looks a mess. Dogs live back here, and it's basically like an extra room from the house. The house, and then it's like a basic extra room. And I don't know what the world Mark is doing, but we have had the desk back here and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, this is the before look, and we're gonna get here and clean it and paint it. And he's gonna put another TV. I think the TV is going on this wall, and we're gonna paint it a nice blue looking color. I don't know. I have to look at it, but it's gonna be a nice blue looking color. But yeah, that's what we got going on, and it's a lot of what we have going on. Dog, it's been back here. So yeah, that, I think we're gonna move that and clean it and paint it. I don't know, I thought he wanted to get rid of it, but right now he's at work, so I guess this is a big surprise cleanup. We're not painting today. I'll take y'all when I do. Okay, Morgan, that's enough with that. But we're not painting today. At least I don't think we're going to. Wait, Morgan. So let me help them, because if not, it's going to be stuff everywhere. It's going to be a catastrophe. And I'll come back when we're finished. Morgan, get down. I got to figure out where we're going to put this deep freezer. Right now, it's going to stay right there. But yeah, we got vacuum clean. We got all kind of mess. And most of this crap is Demetrius doing. He'll put it somewhere and then boom. Like that whole spot over there. You cement. Not even supposed to be in the house. Speakers and vacuum cleaners. Now this is something that my sister gave me. If anybody want it, I'm willing to ship it off. But it's one of those hair dryers. And yeah, all this stuff. Bird food and stuff. Yeah, nothing's supposed to be inside. And have our weights. And yeah, I have to show y'all. I never showed y'all. We have a chicken. Never showed y'all about our chicken. One of these days I'll show you. I'll show you our chicken. But right now that's all we're finna do. We're finna clean up, and I'll show you the after look. Okay. Say bye, Morgan. Bye, Mark. Say bye, Mark. See you later. Not bye. See you later. All right, y'all. As you can see, I have a lot of sweat. This is what the result that come out this room. We have to clean off the table, and you see that little bump over there? There she go right there. You see that little bump? Yeah. So I gotta clean up all this mess. But so far, I don't know what we're gonna do with the dogs. We gotta get the dogs out of here. I still gotta go through that mess, throw it away. Pictures, the 2 chairs, vacuum. The reason supposed to be, I don't know if we're gonna get rid of the deep freezer. He's supposed to be getting rid of the deep freezer. We moved this over here. I don't think he's gonna want this. It's pretty old. Don't know what to do with nothing in this except for this pot belongs to my sister. That's my daddy's. have no clue with that. Demetrius better get this because I can't pick it up. It's a speaker and it's toolbox, and I don't know what we're gonna do with this little weight thing. Probably gonna get something else. But yeah, we successfully kind of cleaned up some of the clutter. We gotta get ready to paint, as you can see, like that. We gotta get ready to paint up in here. And these, I don't know what to do with Mama. I guess I'm gonna find a place to put them. But these are puzzles that my mama actually put together, and I actually just hung them because I thought they were cute. But yeah, they coming out of here too. But I think that's cute that she like doing puzzles. Yeah, and you can see we have the dust up in here too. But yeah, this is our actual progress that we have done. Me and Morel did most of the work. Morgan did that. And thank you, Helicopter, for coming in. That's what she did most of the time. Sat there. If you throw another thing at me, Morgan, you be playing with me too much.
Hey, I did most of that work.
So yeah, this is what we have to go through next and get rid of. And Morgan just threw all this stuff up here. Oh, with her help, who needs help? But but yeah, that's pretty much my progress. How are y'all doing? Hi, new subscribers. How y'all doing? Welcome to the fam. You see what I have to deal with, teenagers. Hopefully she'll make it to 18. Throw another shoe at me. But we got to get ready to go to the store so we can get some more stuff to some bug spray, some stuff to dust with, and more paint and all this stuff. Get ready to start painting this room because we're actually gonna put what do you want, those lazy boys and stuff back here. So that's what we're up to. Okay, y'all, hope y'all doing well, fine, stay blessed. All right, bye bye.